I love jewelry. I've always enjoyed wearing jewelry. It's been a good year. This year has started off with some really special awards, and this is one more. And I think it's to be acknowledged by an industry that specializes in jewelry, that makes jewelry, to have so many friends who work year round to make magnificent pieces. Then to be able to adorn them and then to be able to award it for them is quite special. औरत की जो अदा होती है, नज़ाकत होती है, ग्रेस होती है, वो ज्वेलरी से बहुत उभर के आती है. मैंने अपनी पहली तनख्वाह से जो खरीदी थी, अपनी पहली एक ब्रेसलेट, वो क्योंकि खुद की कमाई का जो पहला एक रियल पीस आइटम होता है, वो हमेशा बहुत स्पेशल होता है. जब ज्वेलरी और अदा के बारे में बात की जाए तो रेखा जी बिल्कुल पहले मन में आ जाती है. शी इज़ द रियल डीवा. आई रियली enjoy traditional jewelry and within traditional classics. So the older the piece looks, the more traditional the piece looks, the more excited it gets me.
Well, मुझे याद है जब हम यहाँ जजिंग के लिए आए थे और जब मुझे कहा गया था that you have to come here and judge amongst the best pieces of jewelry. The problem was that all the pieces of jewelry was so beautiful कि बहुत मुश्किल था. और कई बार हम कहते हैं कि नहीं, अगर हम ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट की जजिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि सब लड़कियाँ इतनी खूबसूरत होती हैं, but you can still tell who's better than the other. Here all the jewelry pieces were so beautiful. मैंने सोचा था कि शायद एक आधे घंटे में काम खत्म हो जाएगा. मुझे पूरा दिन लगा to end with the judging, and it was a lot of work, and it was only harder because all the pieces of jewelry were so beautiful. I have a bracelet which is extremely beautiful, and it's a piece of वो Basra pearls और gold की बनी हुई है, and it's gifted to me by my grandmother. And in fact, she didn't even tell me, but she left it for me, which is very beautiful, and for me, that's my most treasured piece of jewelry.